Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demograffix, and I'm returning today to a previous client to do a garden mural. So we're going to be matching the mural on the opposite side of the garden, that same sort of style, bright colours, beach theme. This is the style that we're going to go with. It's a mural that I did for them previously, and you can see it's like bright colours, nice cheerful scene piece that I've worked on as well. So yeah, it's nice and cheerful, this garden. In this video I'm going to just sort of freestyle the design onto the wall using the space. So we'll have probably a palm tree in this corner reaching over, and the kind of beach scene drifting off, tapering off down to the bottom there, and then some colourful bushes and some clouds in the sky. So it's not going to be too complicated, so it should be fairly simplistic for me to work on. I'm then also going to touch up some bits on the opposite side on the previous mural, and then do a door number on their rear gate. So I've got the turquoisey bluey kind of sea in there. I'm just dusting in some clouds in the sky as a background. Nothing too prominent, just very light clouds. And then I'm going to do some yellow for the beach, and then some flowers. Yeah, it's coming along quickly. Now got the sandy beach on there. It's a nice bright yellow, and I'm going to start adding some plants and stuff at the bottom, and then do the palm trees. Right, palm trees are looking good, almost done. So yeah, what I wanted to say is last night I had a bit of constructive criticism from a friend, and they were saying that when I do these videos often I sound pissed off or grumpy, but that's not the case. I'm always happy. I love my life. It's just that when I'm doing these videos, I'm bringing to you what I'm actually like at that point in time, and a lot of the time my work is hard. I'm working in extreme conditions, so it might be scorching hot or freezing cold or rainy, windy. I'm out there painting in all sorts of weather, and really I'm taking a break from the gas mask. I feel stuffy when I'm wearing these gas masks, and when I take them off, it takes its toll on you. So I can't always be as bubbly and as enthusiastic as some of the other YouTubers out there. I'm not going to name any names, but some people, I don't get how they can be that bubbly or that sort of in your face as a presenter. I'm just being me, and I'm bringing to you the artwork that I'm doing on a daily basis. So if I've got a resting bitch face or I sound grumpy, that's just the way I am. So if you like the videos, keep following, keep watching, and I'm just going to be bringing you the real deal. Sorry, I can't swear. But yeah, and that's it. That's me. Another thing I also want to touch on is if you want to be a YouTuber and you're worried about what people think and what people will say to you, then you're going to find it very difficult. I think you need to have a I don't give a damn attitude and just do it. And it's the people that don't care about other people's opinions and just get on with the work that are going to succeed, and they don't let those mental blockages or demons stop them from doing what they want to achieve. This is the perks of the job. This sort of thing makes me happy. Food, although probably I eat too much, and I should cut down on my carbs. Right, perks of the jobs. There's a healthy part of my day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Beach is done, client's happy, so I'm going to move on to doing the door numbers next. So this is the client's rear door. I'm going to do the numbers on there. Yeah, the client's happy with the mural, and if the client's happy, then I'm happy. I've keyed the surface of the door and I'm about to sketch the numbers on and then start filling them in. I've also masked off a bit of it as well so that I don't get overspray everywhere. So that's it, all done. Job done. And the owner is going to be enjoying a beach scene, like a tropical Caribbean scene. And with global warming, who needs to go away? Just stay at home. Enjoy the Demograffix murals and pretend you're in the Caribbean. And when I think about it, you lot should be thanking me because my aerosols are depleting the ozone layer, making it nice and warm for everyone. So yeah, don't forget to thank me in the comments below.